Do you have lots of friend requests but low amount of followers, and you've been thinking, but how can I convert those friend requests to followers? Hello lovers, welcome to Pretty Make. I am Maggie P. Nolan. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. Under this agenda, I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert friend requests to followers. If you are interested, keep watching. Let's get into the video right now.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
So I jumped right into the video, and for today's agenda, you can use any Facebook, original Facebook or Facebook Lite, but I'm gonna be using Facebook Lite for today's tutorial. So all I have to do is log into Facebook. So once you log into Facebook, you click the three dots at the upper right corner, and then scroll down, click settings, scroll down to audience and visibility, click on followers and public content. Click on followers and public content. Who can follow me? It's on friend, so put who can follow me on public. And it's done. Let's go and prove it. I'm gonna be sending my dummy account, which is this one, friend request from my real account. So this is my dummy account. I'm gonna be sending friend request to my dummy account. As you can see, followed by 348 people. Now I'm going to add friend. I'm going to click the add friend. Refreshed it. And yeah. Now it's 349. So let's go back to my dummy account and see if my real account is a part of the follower list. So yeah, I'm back on my dummy account. As you can see, the friend request that I just sent from my real account appear, and I will have to accept it, but no, I'm going to see if it's part of my followers, if my real account is part of my followers. So I'm going to click on the photo by 349, and here it is. So once you do that, anybody that sent you friend request will automatically follow you. So if this video was helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Note that you cannot change old friend requests to followers, but anyway, you can still change the new one. I mean, the new one will still be enough, and you are still gonna get lots of followers. That's how we come to the conclusion of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Maggie P. Nolan again. Now we'll see you in the next video. I love you.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.